Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube channel logo on Canva. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening canva.com. If you do not have an account, sign up first. Canva offers a free version, which is perfect for creating logos. Once logged in, click the Create a Design button at the top right of the screen. From the options, select YouTube Logo, which is a square format that works well for all logos. You will now see a blank canvas. First, set a background by clicking on the canvas and selecting color options in the top left corner. You can choose a solid color or a gradient that matches your channel's theme. Next, add your channel name by going to the text option on the left menu and clicking Add a Heading. Type your channel name, adjust the font size, style, and color, and use the purple alignment guides to center it. Now, add an image or icon that represents your channel. Go to the Elements tab, search for icons or illustrations, select one, and adjust its size. You can also add decorative elements like lines, shapes, or patterns to make the logo unique. Once your design is complete, click the Share button at the top right and select Download in PNG format for the best quality. Then, upload it to YouTube Studio under the Branding tab. So, that's basically how you can make a YouTube channel logo on Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.